In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Claude AI using Notion MCP. This process allows you to seamlessly integrate your tools, enhancing productivity and streamlining your workflow. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Claude AI website. If you haven't been there before, simply open your preferred browser and type in the URL provided in our video description. Once you're on the site, the first step is to find and click on the Settings option. This is generally located at the top right corner of the main interface. Think of Settings as your control center. It's where you can customize and optimize your experience with Claude. Next, once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see a variety of options, but the one we're interested in today is Connectors. Click on Connectors. This section is crucial because it's where you manage and establish connections with other applications and services. In this context, a connector is essentially the bridge that will link Notion with Claude AI. After clicking on Connectors, you'll find a button labeled Browse Connectors. This is where you can view a list of all the available applications that can be synchronized with Claude. Click on Browse Connectors to proceed. The browsing function here is like an app store specific to Claude, showcasing the diversity of integrations available. Within this list, look specifically for Notion. The order of applications can vary, so you might need to scroll down a bit. Once you spot Notion, go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to a more detailed view where you can configure the connection. And trust me, it's an exciting step. This is where the magic begins to happen. Now, to establish this connection, you'll have to click on Upgrade to Connect. The upgrade typically implies that certain features or connections require you to be on a specific plan or level of access with Claude. Make sure you're aware of the terms and conditions, as well as any costs associated. But the investment in connecting Notion can be incredibly valuable if you're seeking greater efficiency and collaboration in your projects. With these steps, you have now successfully set the groundwork for connecting Notion to Claude AI. Take a moment to explore any additional settings that might suit your specific needs. This seamless integration can empower you to manage tasks, track projects, and collaborate like never before. Thanks for following along. Remember to hit the subscribe button for more tips on optimizing your digital tools. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Have a productive day.